Hi there, welcome back to this channel and thank you for watching this video and joining me. This is a plant identification video with a little uniqueness to it. This is the view at Sanctum now, previously known as Harmony Ranch, where you and others can come here to experience moments and spaces that are sacred, like a sanctuary for you, where you are able to disconnect if you need to, or connect better and connect more with others, with loved ones, with your own self, with your soul, or God. Even if you are here on a silent retreat, you will notice that the birds will fill in the quietness. It is the middle of October. It is 2022. As you can see, it is a cloudy day, overcast. But let's get on with the plant identification part of this video. And today we are looking at this plant here. This is a plant that is native to the Chihuahuan Desert and the Sonoran Desert in southeast Arizona. And it's unique. It's a little dry right now. The plants are dry, past their prime. Now that the rains have tapered down, they have a unique shape, and they grow like that, very thin. Almost reminds me of the wild or the wild lettuce that you also eat. You can see out there in Arizona and also in the Midwest, and that plant happens to be edible. This plant here, I am actually weeding right now. Is called desert holly. Desert holly. I actually like the shape of those leaves, the way they are serrated, but also it's actually spiky. Very sharp edges. Ouch. So they do actually prick you a little bit, like needles of a cactus, but nothing like that because they don't come out, they stay. So they give you a little bit of feeling, but really no harm done at all. If you're not expecting it, it will, make you pause for a second and think what happened. But it's completely safe and harmless. Such an interesting plant. And what happened here is that I let them grow this summer with all of the rain. So this area that I'm standing in was completely covered with desert holly. And I was just weeding them and raking. You can see the rake marks here. But I decided that before I am done clearing the area, I better take some videos showing what the plant looks like. And here's some of the raking I've been doing. But these plants make a flower. It's a small flower, not very common. When it does flower, it smells like jasmine, I believe. And I let them grow all summer, but none of them made flowers. So this is one of the areas here on the ranch or at Sanctum now, and this whole area was covered with desert holly, and I let them grow just to see what happens, how large they get, and if they create flowers, but they did not. So now the season is over and I am pulling them out of the ground and giving us a good opportunity to explore this wild, native to the region plant. Always reminds me of wild lettuce, but it is not wild lettuce, it's different. I will do some research, and in the comments or the description below I will share some information about this plant. I'm usually interested in knowing whether it is medicinal or edible before I compost things like this. So if you know this plant, let me know by writing comments below about it. Thank you again for joining me and for watching another video from Sanctum now. And if you desire time in nature, in quietness, you are welcome here. Contact me if you feel like spending time outside and volunteering to help me on the project here because you believe in the mission of this place. Also let me know. Take care, and I will see you